Hi, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Today, I'd like to talk about what happens if the defendant declares bankruptcy. But first, I want to say that if you have any questions about what you're going to hear today, you'd like to discuss your business, or you think you have a potential case, all you have to do is go to meetjde.nyc to book a consultation with me. Now, what happens when a defendant declares bankruptcy? Now, the reason I'm thinking about this is I had a mediation today. I actually represent the defendant. Now, the mediation didn't go anywhere because the plaintiff refused to take anything but a lump sum payment that my client just didn't have. So I talked about with my client, and a legitimate option for her is bankruptcy. And that could wipe out the whole debt she supposedly owes. Now, and it is a legitimate tool, by the way, bankruptcy. You know, if you owe $500,000 and you have $10 to your name, you might want to go ahead and declare bankruptcy. Now, what happens if the defendant in your case declares bankruptcy? There's a few things you can do. Not a whole lot, but there's a few. The first one is that you check your complaint as a plaintiff, because fraud claims survive bankruptcy. So if you have pled that that the defendant did something fraudulently, that prevents bankruptcy, or prevents the claim from being discharged in bankruptcy. The second thing is definitely speak with a bankruptcy attorney yourself, because you would then be a creditor, a possible creditor, in their bankruptcy. And if they're just using the bankruptcy as a tool to discharge the case, well, you still may be eligible if they have assets to get something. Or, and it has happened on a rare occasion, you can get them out of bankruptcy without anything being discharged, depending on the facts and circumstances, of course. So really, there's two real things that you can do if the defendant declares bankruptcy, right? Check your complaint, see if you've alleged fraud. Now, you can't just make up a fraud claim, but if you have alleged fraud, you can stop your claim from being discharged in bankruptcy. And the second, again, speak with the bankruptcy attorney, and you may have to enter into their bankruptcy to protect your rights. Okay? So again, those are the two things that you can do if the defendant declares bankruptcy. If you like this kind of content, you'd like to hear more, please like and subscribe to my videos to get my content right to your inbox, or however you do get that. And if you like this content and would like to discuss this, any potential case you may have, or just want to talk about your business, go to meetjde.nyc. And you can book that consultation with me there. Once again, I'm Jesse David Eisenberg with the JDE Law Firm. I'm a business litigation attorney, which means that my business is to protect your business. Thanks for watching and listening.